Hello and welcome to the channel. We'll start by making two curves. 1 and 2. Now, move the second curve up to create a surface between the curves. Reference them in Grasshopper using a curve node. Then, create a surface using the loft command. Now, we have an issue that can be adjusted using the loft options command. setAdjust seems to true using a Boolean toggle. Next, we'll create a reference curve to subdivide one side of the surface using that curve. We will project the curve onto the surface using Project Curve onto Brep. In this case, we need to use the Y direction for projection. Notice that the projection creates two sets of curves. We need to select the desired curve for our surface using the list item component. We will then use the surface node to bring forward the entire surface created. However, there is a problem: the loft component outputs a Brep. We need to rebuild and refit the surface onto the original curves until the output is a proper surface. Use the surface split component to split the original surface using the desired curve. Make sure you select the correct curve to split the surface. Use the list item component to separate the surfaces and store them in surface containers. Turn off the preview for all previous components by right-clicking on them after selecting the desired components. Notice that a trimmed surface cannot be subdivided using normal surface components or patterns. Instead, we will use Quad Remesh, a mesh component, for this next part. Adjust the Quad Remesh settings to change the size of each quad based on the target count. In the next video, we will continue and complete the rest of the code to generate a kinetic facade of the Albahar type. Stay tuned for more videos, follow us, and give us a like if you found this tutorial useful.